Hello friends around the world and welcome again to my channel. Today we will learn family in Darija. Let's get started. So the first is grandfather, الجد, الجد, grandmother, الجدة, الجدة, father, الوالد, الوالد, mother, الوالدة, الوالدة, the son, ولدي, ولدي. It's usually my son, the son ولد, but it's the same word. I can say it for my son as well. Basically, that's what it means. ولدي, my son. دار, بنتي, and it's also my daughter, بنتي. Kids, دراري صغار, دراري صغار. There is another word is saying in the street, براهش, براهش. Uncle, العم. From mother side, الخال, الخال. And العمة, العمة. From the mother side, الخالة, الخالة. The cousin from the father side, بنت العم or بنت الخال. From the mother side, بنت العمة, no, female, father side. بنت الخالة, female, mother side. Cousin, so here first masculine like father side, ولد العم, mother side masculine, ولد الخال, ولد العمة, feminine, father side, ولد الخالة, feminine, mother side. The boy, ولد صغير, ولد صغير, ولد صغير. If I say my son, ولدي صغير, ولدي صغير. We continue and girl, بنت صغيرة, بنت صغيرة. My little girl, بنتي صغيرة, بنتي صغيرة. If I want to say the opposite, my big girl, like the oldest, I mean, بنتي الكبيرة, بنتي الكبيرة. Let's go with the adjective, big and small, or letter and old. So كبير, صغير, كبيرة, صغيرة. Man, راجل. Woman, مرأة, مرأة. So if I go with the question شكون, شكون is who, شكون هذا, who is this, شكون هذا, شكون هذي for feminine, شكون هذي, who is this, شكون هذي. The answer will be هذي خالتي, هذي خالتي. This is my aunt from my mother's side, like my mom's sister. شكون هذا, شكون هذا, هذا بابا, هذا بابا. This is my father. So we say, if I want to say my to each family member, just add in the I in the end. So how it's gonna be, my uncle, خالي from my mother's side, عمي from my father's side, خالتي, عمتي. We have my father and my mother, الوالد, الوالدة, or you can say mama, baba. This is international word, so it's always the same. Otherwise, my husband, رجلي, رجلي, my woman, مراتي, مراتي, my grandfather, جدي جدي. Some people said just dada, dada with D-A-D-A. So جدتي جدتي, my grandmother. Also, you have some adjectives, and I want to let you do this as a homework to connect all the three, like doing a sentence. So this is, for example, my aunt. This is my beautiful aunt. Like this. This is my smart aunt, and things like that. So I put some adjectives. I will just explain the adjectives in quick. So زوين, زوينة is beautiful. خايب, خايبة, ugly. مسموم, مسمومة, selfish. ظريف, ظريفة, kind. قراي, قراية, hard workers, or it study a lot, so someone that's very like given in the thing, especially studying. مسواب, مسوابة, it's someone with etiquettes, that's like keep etiquettes with people, especially good with them and all. Okay, so go ahead and do the sentences like that. So this is my beautiful uncle, this is my kind father, things like that in the comments below, and I expect your answers. It will be corrected by me as soon as you post the comment. Thank you so much and see you. Bislama.